having with. And it's life. The point is enjoying who you share it with.
So I think down over here.
I think we have to zigzag.
Down there.
I think that's what it's called.
Orchard is that way.
Jason can probably catch.
Follow the lane to your left for all of these.
No sweet.
No sweets that way.
This one?
Oh, okay.
Either way. Either way.
Honey, how excited are you to be here?
5. Out of 5.
Hi.
Good, how are you?
Pretty good.
Good job. Are you going to put that in the bag or eat it? Yeah.
Who you share it with.
Juicy.
Yeah, now.
Juicy.
Honey crisp are the best.
Spill your shoes, spill your life.
We should do bobbing for apple.
Alright.
So unsanitary.
Bobbing for applesauce. Make a mess. Hello. Hello. I would have brought a windbreaker.
Guys, I'm out of space.
Oh.
Grapes. I know. They're like,
God, it must be nice being tall.
I know.
I would never know. You did.
Man.
Yeah. No?
No, that's what you said.
No, I didn't
No.
give it
No.
now, or else you don't get any more.
No. Ah.
Do it now, or you don't get any more.
Don't take that bad.
No, you give it to me.
No. Calling your bluff.
Poopy. You don't want to risk that. Do you think that that's funny? Funny, honey?
Honey crisp.
These are good. These are better than the other one.
So big. Weird apple. Such a weird apple.
Cherries.
Weird. Balls.
This one's a boy.
Yeah, exactly. Pick them up. Whoa. Do you want to carry it for the rest of the day?
We have one pumpkin right in the front of the display that Diana put on the line. And the whole front, it looks like it's a condo of chipmunks.
Wow.
The whole thing is eaten out and
Wow. Yeah, it's like a little cave.
yeah, a little cave. Is
We were gonna try the there's a cookie cutter trick.
Wow.
Where you like take a cookie cutter and you kind of like you have to kind of I think like push it or hammer it in a little bit to help cut out like your little design.
Oh, right,
Yeah.
Makes sense.
We just freehand like
Yeah.
that's what I've always done. Yeah, that's what I've always done. But I was like, oh that's really cool.
Yeah, and if you look at like ours, you see the cut, but then also all the Sharpie on the edge.
I know. So hard.
Oh, that one?
Hi, Ollie.
I'm not picking that one up.
For the first time I actually had a pumpkin growing there.
Yeah.
The size of the house.
Really?
And then it got eaten by a chipmunk.
Oh.
And I found the chipmunk bone where it was. He left it outside the
Cheese.
That's what I get.
Yeah, that makes sense. Yeah, most people are like, Marco.
Hello.
Jamie.
Hello.
Ralph Lauren.
Hello.
Apple.
Hello. I want to get one of those.
Which one? Well, guess what? We're gonna do it. Okay, let's get it.
This one's like appetite.
Let me try. It's better than the other one?
Yeah.
Mmm. Oh, that's good. This place has better apples than that other place. All over my beard. Double bite. I don't want it too big.
I'm getting the juices on.
Oh, you want to do that one too?
Oh, is that where the group photos being taken? Probably going. Mommy, whoa, he's
Jeff, did you bring a months later? I was like, I don't remember going there.
It's video.
I saw that.
Yeah,
and I just let it go.
Yeah.
It could be.
What? Where are they going?
What's up behind you, Orly?
Okay, ready?
Do I look handsome?
Yeah.
Are you yesing me?
You have lots of time.
Oh, that's my straw beard. You're in Rochester, right?
Stay here. We're going eating.
in the ground and I stepped on it and like it moved.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know. There you go, Pops.
Yeah, the hero.
I
He's the
know.
blind guy.
He's the blind guy.
Evidently.
Steve, what she wants you to do is move towards the railing so she can push you over. Yeah. It's a smart guy.
Thank you.
Excuse me.
Sitting over there?
I,
Girls at my school do the
are you excited for the flight, hon?
Yeah, but I can't really eat it.
Why not? Why can't you eat the flight? Well, because your hair? Are you cousin It? Your cousin It? Huh?
I can't. Good.
They're good.
I haven't even tried it yet. I'm just kidding.
The donut.
It's so good, isn't it, Holly?
Wow. 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 I didn't expect that. Wow. Those are really, really good. Wow.
You were right, Steve.
You're right.
What, we're not gonna get it?